What's great about this? What if, Chinedu, what if, two is peanut, that's too small, that's too easy for me. What if I can bring in more than two? Perhaps 4 business partners. Then I suggest you take the entrepreneur package. Can you say 3 accounts? All those accounts will be under your name. What's great about this, you'll be having the same effort, same number of people on your group. For example, this is Chinedu 1, 2, 3. With this same number of people, you'll be earning double or triple. How can it be? Because remember, you position those 3 first before your other friends. Put those 4 friends under those 3 accounts. Since this one has 1 on his left, therefore this account earns 5-7. Abi? So this one also has his own 1 business partner on the left and right. Therefore, this account also earns 5,007. But this is also under your name. Therefore, this account has 2 on his left and 2 on his right. Therefore, this is 2 matches for you. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, what if I can have, 7? I can have more than 4. What if I can sponsor 8 people? Can you sponsor 8? Can you sponsor 8?
Yes.
It's possible because it doesn't have a time frame. I'm not saying sponsor 8 by this month. My question is, can you sponsor, bring in 8 on your entire lifetime? Of course, then I suggest you take the 7 accounts. This is the international builders package. Okay? So, all of these 7, this is the maximum, would be under your name. And all you have to do the rest of your life is to look for 8 business partners. Place them under those 7 accounts. It's like having 7 shops. Who among you earns a shop here? Any shop, a business, a clothes shop? Sir, which is better? 1 shop or 2 shops? Therefore 7. Abi? Well, you can cater to a lot of more people. Aren't you wondering why we have so many Mr. Biggs, Mr. Sensation, and KFC? Because the more, the merrier. The more profit you have a chance to earn. But in here, all you have to do is, it's no longer 36,000. You multiply 36,000 by 7, that gives you around 252. But that's your initial investment. That 250,000, you'll be getting back products, almost 300,000, Abi? Again, you already profited. And the next thing you should do, apart from those products, as this would have this commission for these people, you'll be getting roughly a cash of around 30,000 immediately. Let me tell you. How much? 39. No? I'm just checking if you know the business, Abi. 39, apart from the products. See? Then, all you have to do is look for those 8 business partners. I'm not saying this month or this year. It may take you a year to look for 1. It doesn't matter. Supposing you were able to convince 1, 2015, since you got tired, you rested. Then you will start looking for another business partner by 2016. Is it possible? And then you rested again. After 2017, you look. Is it possible? It may take you 8 years. It doesn't matter. Now, if you were able to complete all those slots, okay, you are now complete. Therefore, if these people invites people, brings in business partner, all of this account would also earn. Is this clear? Is it possible? Is it doable? Of course, that is just about 250,000. That is probably just a price of a laptop. I don't know, right? A home entertainment. But your 250,000 here is a good investment because it's a lifetime business. Not just a lifetime business, it's a global business. Can you say global business? Now, let me continue. When you choose to get more than 1 account, which I suggest, 3 or 7 accounts will give you more products, which means free. Can you say free? additional profit on your end. When you sell this, you get this profit for free. Can you say free? And apart from that, again, reminding you, you will get your commission daily. Can you say daily commission? Can you say, I want a daily commission?